Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve remaining question of IIM Olympiad Workbook Chapter 9 Rational Numbers for Class 7. For first 10 question, watch part 1 video. Link is given in description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 11. The product of two rational numbers is the reciprocal of minus 4 by 15. If one of the rational number is 3 by 2, then find the additive inverse of the other rational number. So here given product of two rational number is reciprocal of minus 4 by 15. Means reciprocal is minus 15 by 4. And one number is 3 by 2. So other number we consider as x and their product is minus 15 by 4. Now x is equal to minus 15 by 4 into, we take reciprocal of 3 by 2 this side. So it will be 2 by 3. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So x is equal to here minus 5 into 1 is minus 5 and 2 into 1 is 2. We have to find out the additive inverse of this rational number. So it will be 5 by 2. So here B is correct answer. Question number 12. Which of the following are not equivalent rational numbers? Option A 1 by 4 and minus 8 by 32. Here this minus sign will get cancelled. Here denominator and numerator we multiply by 8. So 8 ones are 8 and 8 fours are 32. So these both are equal. So they are equivalent. Option B, if minus 3 by 4, here both numerator and denominator we multiply with 3, then here minus 9 by 12 and these both are equal. So these are equivalent. Option C, 25 by 30. Here we divide both numerator and denominator by 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5 and 30 divided by 5 is 6. And here 15 by 18 we divide by 3. So it will also 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So these both are same. So option C also equivalent. Option D 32 by 56. Here we divide numerator and denominator by 8. So 8 fours are 32 and 8 sevens are 56. And here we divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 twos are 4 and 2 sevens are 14. These two are not equal. So option D is not equivalent. D is correct answer. Question number 13. Which of the following is arranged in ascending order? So here we first make their denominator same by finding the LCM of 4, 8, 3, 6. LCM is 24. So here we multiply both denominator and numerator by 6. Here by 3, here by 8 and here by 4. So now their denominator is 24 and here minus 7 into 6 is minus 42. Then minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Then minus 2 into 8 is minus 16. And minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. Now ascending order means small to big numbers. So in negative integer, correct ascending order is minus 42. Then minus 16. Then minus 15 and then minus 12. So first this will come. Then this will come. Then this and last this. So this one is the correct ascending order. C is correct answer. Question number 14. A box is to be filled with mangoes, each weighing 1 by 10 kg. The weight of the box should not exceed 3 by 5 kg. Find the maximum number of mangoes that can be put inside the box. So here each mango weight 1 by 10 kg. And weight of box is 3 by 5 kg. So to find out the number of mango, we need to divide weight of box by weight of each mango. So 3 by 5 into, we take reciprocal of this, 10. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 3 into 2 is 6. Means 6 mangoes can put inside the box. A is correct answer. Question number 15. 3 by 20 of a delegation are from India, 1 by 4 are from Britain, 3 by 10 are from Germany, and rest are Americans. If there are 1200 members in the delegation, then how many Americans are there? So we first find out the number of delegation from India is 3 by 20 into total number is 1200. 0 will get cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12 and 0. And 3 into 60 is 180. So from India 180 members. Then from Britain 1 by 4 into 1200. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12 and this 0 0. Means 300 from Britain. Now from Germany 3 by 10 into 1200. This 0 will get cancelled and 3 into 120 is 360. So 180 from India, 300 from Britain, 360 from Germany and X from America, and total is 1200. So 180 plus 300 plus 360 is 840. 840 plus X is equal to 1200. So X is equal to 1200 minus 840 is 360. Means 360 are Americans in the delegation. So here C is correct answer. Question number 16. In an examination, a student was asked to find 5 by 17 of a certain number. By mistake, he found 17 by 5 of that number. If his answer was 264 by 119 more than the correct answer, then find the number. So here we first assume that number be X. A student was asked to find 5 by 17 of certain number, means 5 by 17 of X. And by mistakenly he found 17 by 5 of that number, means 17 by 5 of that number. If his answer was 264 by 119 more than the correct answer, means this one is his correct answer. So here we need to subtract. Then answer will be 264 by 119. So now here we will make their denominator same by multiplying here by 17x and here by 5. So 17x into 17 is 289x minus 5x into 5 is 25x and 5 into 17 is 85 is equal to 264 by 119. Now 289x minus 25x is 264x by 85 is equal to 264 by 119. So x is equal to 264 by 119 into, we take reciprocal of this, 85 by 264. So here this will get cancelled, 17 5s are 85 and 17 7s are 119. Answer is 5 by 7. So that number is 5 by 7. B is correct answer. Question number 17. From his home, Rahul walks 6 by 7 km towards school and then returns 5 by 6 km on the same way towards his home to reach a landmark. At what distance he will be now from his home? So here given, he walked towards the school and that distance is 6 by 7 km. And then he returned 5 by 6 km towards his home and reach a landmark. Means this distance is 5 by 6 km. And here we need to find out this remaining distance. Means 6 by 7 minus 5 by 6. So here we multiply by 6 and here by 7. 6 6 are 36 minus 5 7s are 35 and 7 into 6 is 42. 36 minus 35 is 1 by 42 kilometer. So here A is correct answer. Question number 18, match the following. Column 1, option 1. Divide the sum of 12 by 5 and 13 by 7 by the product of minus 4 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So we first do the sum of 12 by 5 plus 13 by 7. So we will make their denominator same by multiplying denominator and numerator here by 7 and here by 5. So 12 into 7 is 84 plus 13 into 5 is 65 and their denominator is 35. 84 plus 65 is 149 by 35. Now their sum is 149 by 35. Now we will find the product of minus 4 by 7 into and minus 1 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and minus will become plus. 2 into 1 is 2 by 7. Their product is 2 by 7. Here we need to divide the sum by their product. Product is 2 by 7. So we take reciprocal of this. So 7 by 2. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. So 149 by 10. We will convert it into mixed fraction. So 10 into 14, 140 plus 9, 149. So here for A, R is correct answer. Option 2, Niharika spent 3 by 4 of her pocket money. She spent 1 by 2 of it on a book, 1 by 6 on a movie and rest for a dress. Dash part of her pocket money she spent on dress. So we first consider the total amount she spent as X. Total spent 3 by 4X. Out of this she spent 1 by 2 on book, means for book 1 by 2 into 3 by 4X, which gives 3X by 8. And 1 by 6 on movie, means 1 by 6 into 3X by 4. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So X by 8. So total she spent, means we will do addition of 3X plus X, means 4X by 8. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 1 by 2X. So out of this she spent 1 by 2X on book and movie. So we need to subtract the total spent minus money spent on the book and movie. Here we multiply by 2. So 3X by 4 minus 2X by 4. 3X minus 2X is X by 4. Is 1 by 4X. So for dress she spent 1 by 4 of the total money. So here for 2, S is correct answer. Option 3, if 35 shirt of equal size can be stitched from 49 by 2 meters of cloth and length in meter of cloth required for each shirt is. So for 35 shirts 49 by 2 meters cloth is required. Then for one shirt how much meter will require? So here we need to divide 49 by 2 by 35. So we take reciprocal of 35. Here 7 5s are 35 and 7 7s are 49. So 7 by 10. 7 by 10 meter is required for one shirt. So for 3, P is correct answer. Option 4, 2 packets of chocolates weight 9 by 4 kg and 10 by 7 kg respectively. The total weight in kg of chocolate is. So we need to do addition of weight of both chocolate. So here we multiply by 7, here by 4. So 9 into 7 is 63, 63 by 28 plus 4 into 10 is 40 by 28 and 63 plus 40 is 103 by 28. We convert it into mixed fraction. 28 into 3 is 84. 84 plus 19, 103. So for 4, Q is correct answer. So here B is correct answer. Question number 19. Study the following statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. Number 0 is neither a positive nor a negative rational number. This statement is true. And statement 2. There are infinite rational number between two rational numbers. This statement also true. So here both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. So A is correct answer. Question number 20. State T for true and F for false. Option A. Every rational number can be expressed with a positive numerator. It is true statement. Option 2. Rational numbers minus 11 by 5, 1 by 6, 3 by 10 and 6 by 15 are arranged in ascending order. So to check the ascending order, we will first make their denominator same by finding the LCM. LCM of 5, 6, 10, 15 is 30. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 6 here by 5, here by 3 and here by 2. So 11 into 5 is minus 55 by 30. 1 into 5 is 5 by 30. Then 3 into 3 is 9 by 30. And 6 into 2 is 12 by 30. So these rational numbers are arranged in ascending order. So this statement is also true. Option 3. So we first solve this. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 4 into minus 3 is minus 12 by 5 plus here 3 into 11 is 33 by 80. So we will first make their denominator same. So here we will multiply by 16. Their denominator will be 80 and minus 12 into 16 is 192 plus 33. Minus 192 plus 33 is equal to 159. 159 by 80. We will convert it into mixed fraction. So 80 ones are 80 and 79 remaining. So this is correct. So this statement is also true. Option 4. 15 by 10 and 12 by 8 are equivalent rational number. So here 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So 3 by 2 and 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So 3 by 2. So they both are equivalent rational numbers. So these statements also true. So all statements are true. So here C is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.